Many photographers encounter persistent myths about gear that can shape their approach to the craft. These misconceptions often suggest that owning the latest camera or most expensive lens is the key to capturing stunning images. However, relying too heavily on equipment can distract from developing essential skills and creativity. The truth is, a photographer's vision and technique play a far greater role in producing memorable photographs than the gear itself. By understanding and moving beyond these myths, photographers can focus on honing their abilities and making the most of whatever tools they have. Prioritizing skill over equipment leads to more meaningful growth and artistic expression. It's a common misconception that only full-frame cameras can deliver outstanding photographs. In reality, cameras with different sensor sizes, such as APS-C and Micro Four Thirds, are fully capable of producing high-quality images. Smaller sensors often offer advantages like lighter camera bodies, more affordable lenses, and increased depth of field, which can be beneficial for certain types of photography. Advances in sensor technology have significantly narrowed the gap in image quality between formats. Ultimately, the skill of the photographer and the creative use of equipment play a much larger role than sensor size alone. By understanding the strengths of various camera systems, photographers can choose the tools that best suit their needs and style. While prime lenses are often praised for their sharpness and wide apertures, it's important to reconsider the assumption that they are always the best choice. Zoom lenses have evolved significantly, offering impressive image quality and flexibility. Their ability to cover multiple focal lengths makes them highly convenient, especially in dynamic shooting environments where changing lenses is impractical. Modern zooms can deliver results that rival many primes, providing photographers and videographers with greater creative freedom. The versatility of a zoom lens means you can adapt quickly to different subjects and compositions. Ultimately, the decision between prime and zoom lenses depends on your specific needs and shooting style. Many people believe that a tripod is essential for every shot, but this is a common misconception. While tripods provide stability and are invaluable for certain types of filming, they are not always the most practical choice. Handheld shooting can offer greater flexibility, allowing the camera operator to move freely and respond quickly to dynamic situations. In fast-paced environments or when capturing spontaneous moments, handheld techniques can be more effective. Additionally, handheld shots can add a sense of immediacy and realism to the footage. Ultimately, the decision depends on the desired style and the specific requirements of each scene. Many people believe that investing in expensive gear is the key to achieving superior results. However, the reality is that high-end equipment alone does not guarantee excellence. The true difference often lies in the skill and creativity of the person using the tools. Mastery of technique can elevate even basic equipment to produce impressive outcomes. Creative vision allows individuals to push boundaries and find unique solutions, regardless of the gear at hand. Ultimately, while quality tools can enhance possibilities, it is the user's approach and ingenuity that make the most significant impact. Many people assume that a higher megapixel count always leads to sharper, better images. However, this is a common misconception. While megapixels determine the resolution of a photo, they are just one piece of the puzzle. Factors such as sensor size, lens quality, and image processing play crucial roles in overall image clarity and detail. A camera with fewer megapixels, but a larger sensor and superior optics can often produce more vibrant and accurate photos than a camera with a high megapixel count alone. Lighting conditions and the photographer's technique also significantly influence the final result. Understanding these elements helps in making informed decisions when choosing a camera, rather than relying solely on megapixel numbers. In conclusion, remember that the most important tool in photography is not the camera, but your creativity and skill. No matter what equipment you currently have, you can capture remarkable images by focusing on technique, composition, and storytelling. Practice regularly, experiment with different settings, and challenge yourself to see the world in new ways. As you continue to develop your photographic skills, you'll find that your confidence grows and your results improve. Embrace the learning process and make the most of every opportunity to create with what you have.